This is Brian here with Stokes & Company Restoration Business, and we're packing the wheel bearings on our trailer, getting ready to go to Lake Conroe to pick up a boat. So we got old school way right here with marine grease, Lucas right here, or I've got Lucas Red and Tacky that I use on just my regular wheel bearings. But today I don't want to mix this and this in here, and I don't have two of them, so we're going to go old school way. Take your bearings, been cleaned up with gas, blown out, we're good to go. So we're just going to take this right here simply and go on top and push this down on here. You'll eventually start seeing it working the grease up through the top. This is a big bearing. This is a 6 lug. This is a 5,200 pound axle. So a lot of your boat trailers are the typical 3,500 pound. So if you can see it's starting to come up right there, that's what we want to do all the way around. The old school way of doing this. If you don't have a piker, can't afford one, put some grease on there. Don't mind getting a little bit greasy. All right, so we made it all the way around. We've got grease coming up all the way through here. We've already put a little bit of grease down in here in our race, had all that cleaned up. Put that one in there. All right, come on over here to the other side. Had to put this together. We've got a little bit of grease on our spindle shaft there, prepared up and ready to go. We've already got the bearing packed on this side over here. Both the bearings. This one here is ready to go. The one that we just packed, the big one, it's ready to go in here. I've already got the seal on it in there. So slide this on. Outer wheel bearing on. Washer. Got 2 flat spots in there. Get it on there. Alright, get the nut. It's a fine thread on there, so take your time and get it on there right. What we're going to do is we're going to tighten this down all the way until it won't tighten anymore. Then we're going to back it off. We're going to set our carter key in there. So, here we go. We got an 1/8 inch socket on this axle. Like I said, this is a 6 lug. This is a 5,200 pound axle. All right, we're going to tighten it all the way down. I'm going to back it off. About a 1/4 of a turn. Let's see what that looks like. I'm between 1/4 and 1/2. You actually really want it about hand tight. You can feel the play in it. Spin it, make sure it spins freely. You have the hole over here. Your carter key to go. Put your holder on there. Do not forget this. All right, carter pin in. Bring it around. Some people got their own particular way that they like to put their carter keys in. I just like it in there to where it's not gonna come out. There. That's packing your wheel bearings on your boat trailer. Hopefully this helps y'all. God bless.